Ladies and gentlemen, on the 9th of October 1962, our country, through the patriotic charisma of our forefathers, attained independence so that we, Ugandans, may govern ourselves, so that we make our own mistakes, so that we learn from our mistakes and socially, politically, and economically transform our country. But governments after governments, we have consistently made mistakes, but we have deliberately refused to learn from any of them. And because of that, we have failed to realize the potential of our country. But I want to take this opportunity and tell you that today we are here to start a new beginning. Today we are here to rewrite our story. Today we are here to bring back our lost glory as a country. And I am officially declaring my candidature for President of the Republic of Uganda in the 2026 general election. And I come to write the story of our country. I come to start a new beginning. I come to bring back our lost glory as a country. I come with an assurance that with patriotism, with unity, with integrity, with inclusivity, with progress, with justice, and above all, with Pan-Africanism, we can still build that inclusive, socially, politically, and economically transform Uganda. We can still build an independent, integrated, self-sustaining economy that can effectively and efficiently support the education of our children, that can support the health sector, that can support the livelihoods, that can support our infrastructures and all aspects of developments we desire as a country. We can still restore our rule of law with zero tolerance to impunity. We can still bring back our freedom of speech. We are disagreeing with our government on their methods of governance, and in demanding for our entitlements as citizens, do not make you and myself intimidated, brutalized, arrested, detained, or even imprisoned by the government. We can still build our consolidated national unity with a red card to any form of sectarianism, tribalism, and nepotism. We can still get value for our taxes by risking it all to eliminate corruption out of our country. I believe that we can still achieve all the dimensions of peace and security. And above all, we can still commit to being the Pearl of Africa and champion the African agenda, the neo-colonization of Africa, a socially, politically, and economically united borderless Africa, with the African Continental Free Trade Area being our grandmaster. Ladies and gentlemen, the people of the Republic of Uganda, I know we have had so many Moses, but I am the Joshua. God bless you. God bless Humphrey. God bless Uganda, for God and my country.